Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by securing your data. Backup local downloads and any unsynced files to Google Drive or an external USB. Once done, sign out and remove the Chromebook from your Google account to avoid activation lock later. Make sure the battery is charged above 50% or keep the charger connected so the reset isn't interrupted. Finally, close all apps and note your Wi-Fi credentials. You will need them when the device restarts. Now perform the reset. If a standard reset suffices, open Settings, go to Advanced, then Reset, and choose Power Wash, Confirm, and Restart. If the system is unresponsive or you need full recovery, press ESC plus Refresh and then power to boot into recovery mode. This lets you apply a recovery image from a USB drive. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to confirm wiping local data. Make sure to select the correct recovery. After reset or recovery completes, the Chromebook will reboot to the initial setup. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and restore files from your backup. The system will download apps and settings synced to your account. Make sure to check for system updates and verify peripherals. If you still see problems like failed boot, persistent errors, or missing storage, create a recovery USB and repeat the recovery, perform a hardware reset, or contact Acer support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.